The audio brand VPI just announced their new Prime 21 turntable. It's quite easy to set up. They made it for simplicity and quick use. They don't want you to take so much time setting it up. They said it could be up and running after you unbox it for less than 20 minutes. You'll be up and running, playing your favorite music on it. So the assembly tools are already provided in the box. There is even an instruction an installation video in a CD, in a not a CD but in a USB stick that is made available for you in the box. So you're good to go to set it up. The chassis is made really well. It's braced well. It is made to last. It's made to last, so you get better performance out of the turntable. The thing here is that you get very good solid design. It's not cheap. It's really not cheap. They are taking some of their parts out of their anniversary edition, their HW40, which costs around £15,000, and they are able to incorporate most of those features in their new Prime 21, and that's just what you're getting. You're getting very good tech from some of their higher end model in their new lineup. So you get better sound, better performance. It's not going to be the best turntable on the market, but for the fact that you can set it up really quickly without having to spend a lot of time doing so is a really decent thing. The price for it is $4,500 or £4,500, depending on which country you're buying it from, and it will be available for sale in December. Now they are also launching the Prime 21 Plus. That in on its own will be priced at $6,500 and £6,500, depending on the country as well. All these models will be available in December, but you can start your pre-orders in November. That's what it is. That's the news right now. Be sure to follow us on social media, guys. Subscribe to our channel, like our content, and I'll see you guys next time.